Hello, my name is Josh. I'm a nursing student at the Indiana State University. I want to talk to you about nutrition, which is a fancy way of saying the food that we eat. We all need to eat food to be alive, but we need to learn how to pick the right foods to be healthy and strong. We will talk a little bit more about that later. First, let's ask the question, why do we eat? One reason is for energy. Think of eating like putting a log on a campfire. The fire burns a little brighter and a little warmer until the log is all burned up. We use food for energy in the same way. We use the food to keep our bodies warm and to give us energy to move around, talk, and even think. Did you know that your brain uses more energy than any other part of your body, such as your liver, kidneys, lungs, or even heart? Some foods give us a lot of energy for a short time, and other foods give us energy that lasts all day. Have you ever eaten a sweet dessert and suddenly had a burst of energy and then felt tired a little bit later? That's because when we eat a lot of sugar, our bodies use the sugar quickly, and once the sugar is used up, we have less energy than before. Other foods that have less sugar, such as meat, nuts, and pasta, give our bodies energy that lasts longer because our body uses the energy more slowly. Another reason we eat is so that we can grow. Have you ever seen a picture of yourself when you were a baby? You are much smaller and probably didn't know all the smart things you know now. When you eat food, the food is squished down into tiny parts, much like all the individual Lego pieces in your favorite Lego set. Your body uses those food parts to make your body bigger, stronger, and smarter. So you really are what you eat. We also eat so our bodies can heal when we have an injury or when we get sick. When we eat healthy foods, those foods are broken down and some parts are used to fix our cuts and scrapes and help us feel better when we are sick. We also eat because it can be fun and because food tastes good. Some foods are better for our bodies than others. Let's call these foods strong foods, because our bodies become stronger and healthier when we eat strong foods. Strong foods are foods that give your body what it needs to have energy, grow, and stay healthy. Some foods that are not strong only give our bodies energy and do not have the pieces that our body needs to grow and keep us from getting sick. Strong foods fall into 5 categories: vegetables, fruit, proteins, grain, and dairy. Vegetables come in many colors and are even stronger when you eat all the different colors. Vegetables give your body important vitamins and minerals to keep you from getting sick and help you grow strong muscles and bones. Fruit, like bananas, apples, peaches, blueberries, and oranges, are more than just sweet treats. They also have vitamins and minerals to keep our bodies healthy. Proteins can be found in a lot of strong foods such as eggs, meat, nuts, beans, milk. Protein gives our bodies what it needs to build strong muscles, bones, and keep our organs, such as our heart, stomach, and intestines, working well. Protein also helps to fix our skin when we fall and scrape our elbow. Grain is important for energy. It is important to eat grain such as rice, pasta, cereal, oatmeal, and bread every day. The strongest grains are the ones where you can see the whole grain, such as oatmeal, wheat, and brown rice. These foods contain more fiber, which will help you feel full. Dairy comes from cows and includes milk, yogurt, or cheese. Some people are not able to eat dairy, but there are many substitutes, such as soy or almond milk. Dairy helps your body build strong bones and teeth. So what is not a strong food? Some foods may seem like they are strong foods, but actually are not. These foods may not give your body what it needs to stay healthy and grow. The hard part is that these foods sometimes taste better than strong foods because they have lots of sugar or unhealthy types of fat and not enough vitamins or minerals. Foods that are not strong can give us energy, but that energy may not last very long. An easy way to tell if food is strong is if it passes the look test. Ask yourself, can I tell what this food is made from just by looking at it? In strong foods, you can usually see the fruits, vegetables, nuts, and other ingredients that it's made from. Foods that are not strong usually come in packages or boxes, and you can't tell what they're made from by looking at it. Sometimes it's hard to tell if food is strong or not. If you can't tell, then you should ask a teacher or a parent. So what happens to our bodies when we don't eat strong foods? Well, when we don't eat strong foods, our bodies don't get enough of the important food parts that keep our bodies healthy. This means that we might get sick more often. When we do get sick, we might stay sick for longer. We could feel tired more and not have the energy to do activities. We might gain or lose too much weight. We might have a hard time learning new things in school, too. Even some sicknesses can be prevented if we eat a variety of strong foods and exercise as we grow. So what should you eat for lunch at school? When you're going through the lunch line, you're able to choose the food that you eat. Try your best to pick a couple different strong foods. Pick something from the 5 main food groups each day, and remember, when it comes to fruits and veggies, that you should eat the rainbow. That means try to eat different color fruits and veggies throughout the week. And don't forget the green vegetables, too. Remember, sometimes it can be hard to choose healthy, strong foods to eat. If you ever feel stuck and not sure where to find strong foods, then talk to your teacher, parent, or dietitian, which is a fancy word for a healthy food specialist. Eat the food your body needs, and you will feel stronger, smarter, and more energized.